What's up guys, back with another video for you guys, and this time it's a special one. Entry to the snow life with a WRX. So yeah, I'm gonna take this WRX and we're gonna go bowling for a little bit on the back road. It's not too hard because it is still icy and black ice, but look how beautiful it is. So yeah, let's hop in the car. All right. Angle looking good, guys. So I'm gonna take us for a short little drive. It's for a little bowl, nothing too hard. I absolutely love it when it snows outside. Nothing quite like feeling, there's nothing quite like the feeling of driving a WRX while it's snowing. Like, you feel like the best guy on the road. Nothing can stop you. Look how beautiful it is, guys. Wow. Love it when the trees are covered in snow. Just looks like a wonderland. Looks like we'll be following this tundra for a little bit. Give him a little room so we can accelerate. Season of winter with my all seasons. Here, guys, hit some back roads. Wowza. There's definitely black ice on the ground as I just slipped right there, but we're gonna take it probably like a 6 out of 10, maybe even less. this road is not. Oh, my lip. Oh boy. This looks like a fun road. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Oh. I'm actually just plowing it with my lip right now. Other than that, guys, look at the views. There's like views on freaking views right here. Oh, yep, there goes my lip. Oh wow, this is just straight snow. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of terrifying. This road straight up did not get shoveled. Maybe if I was a little more skilled enough, I could accelerate on this road, but I'm a little scared right now, not gonna lie. Stuck. Only if they had all-wheel drive, symmetrical all-wheel drive, that is, in a Subaru WRX. Oh, never mind. Alright. Okay, guys, so it seems my all-seasons are not sufficient enough because I wore down the sides and the middle for the snow actual helpfulness, but you know, take what we can get, I guess, right? Oh wow, I'm even slipping on here, that's crazy. Let's go see how the lip's holding up, because I was actually just plowing the lip. Oh, my keys. Oh, there they are. That would have been terrible. Well, lip is actually okay, but yeah, see, these tires are not it. They got some tread, but as you can see, the snow marker is gone, so it's not the best in the snow. Still very cool, very cool. This got wet. Hopefully this is water resistant or whatever. But yeah, that's my little snow drive. A little sketchy. Forgot to turn traction off and I got on the brakes. That was my fault. That was my mistake. But yeah, As I learn how to oversteer more, I'm sure I'll be comfortable with that. But with that, I'll see you in the next one.